Start by de-energizing the PHV unit. There are two versions of this unit. The standard PHV and PHV1 with a W3 certification with a filter pollution indicator and warning signal. Loosen the draw latches and remove the top cover. Locate the side bolts and the two middle bolts. Unscrew and remove the nuts, bolts and washers. Remove the cover plate. Then, remove the rubber motor seals. Take out the motors one by one. Loosen the blue and brown wires from the existing carbon brushes. Loosen the yellow/green earth wire too. Each motor has 2 carbon brushes. Loosen the wire from the carbon brush. Carefully remove the worn carbon brush from the motor housing with a pair of pliers. The new brush is supplied retracted. Slide it off by pulling or pushing gently. The brush is attached with a spring to the housing so it can't fall out. Push a new carbon brush by hand into the opening of the motor housing. Now, reconnect the wire. Make sure to always replace 4 carbon brushes at the same time. Reconnect the blue and brown wires to the motor. Reconnect the yellow/green earth wire too. Make sure not to squeeze the wires. Put the rubber motor seals around the grids. Put the pressure tube through the grommet in the cover plate. Fasten the cover plate with the nuts, bolts and washers. Make sure that you do not damage the sealing ring. Put the top cover back on the filter cartridge. Fasten the draw latches. Make sure to test the PHV before using.